Transpiration, the loss of H2O from leaves and stems of a plant. How that exactly happens we'll talk about in a minute. When thinking about transpiration, you should remember that H2O has cohesive and adhesive properties due to hydrogen bonds. Now, cohesion is when, in regards to water, water sticks with itself, and adhesion is to other surfaces, such as the xylem vessels in a plant. Okay, so this is the cohesion tension theory. So firstly, H2O is heated up in the mesophyll of the leaf by sunlight and turns into vapor. And so that happens right here by that square area where the mesophyll would be. The water is heated up and then turned into H2O vapor. The vapor transpires out of the stomata, which is straightforward. Loss of H2O causes a negative pressure and a transpiration pull on the water molecules in the xylem, causing more water molecules to be drawn into the leaf. So, as that leaves there, these water molecules are pulled up closer to the leaf, and because those move up, these are also going to move up, and then that moves up, and then that helps draw water into the roots because the water is in a constant pull. Cohesion of water causes a knock-on effect throughout the plant, as I have just explained. And if you need the visual aid, and if you need the writing. And this segment is on the stomata. And so the CO2 goes into the stomata when it is open. This is an open stomata. You have all of these aspects of it. The stomata is open, and so the CO2 is going to go in, which will allow photosynthesis to occur. As the CO2 goes in, the water is out, and that allows for transpiration, because if you remember from previous with the cohesion theory, the tension, thank you. Anyway, so as water evaporates from the mesophyll, because of the cohesive properties of water, water molecules will pull forward towards the mesophyll, and that happens all the way out, and that is how that happens when the stomata is open. If there's too much H2O, guard cells will close. This is a closed stomata, and that is because the guard cells are flaccid, they're not pumped with water, and so that causes it to close, and then when the situation is right, it pops back open just like that. In regards to H2O, if there's too much H2O or there's too much H2O loss, such as in dry conditions, the stomata will also close.